Maddie is watching a big yellow snowplow clearing the road. Ezra is tying the laces on his clean white sneakers. John is sleeping peacefully on his soft, warm bed. Michelle is riding her bike on the wide gray sidewalk. Maddie is cutting a piece of paper with sharp metal scissors. Ezra is stirring soup in the silver metal saucepan on the stove. John is eating a big ham and cheese sandwich. Michelle is watching a white sailboat moving slowly on the water. Maddie is playing a happy tune on a small brown wooden recorder. Ezra is zipping up a bright yellow waterproof raincoat. John is putting his cold hands near the hot wall radiator. Michelle is applying firm pressure to the lid to close the box. Maddie is putting a clean blue placemat under her plate. Ezra is collecting dry brown pine cones under the tree. John is watching a colorful wild pheasant walking in the grass. Michelle is opening a new paint box with many colors. Maddie is painting a picture of a beautiful red rose. Ezra is putting on a pair of blue denim work overalls. John is writing his homework in a big lined notebook. Michelle is fastening a small silver chain necklace around her neck. Maddie is looking at a round brown wild mushroom growing in the forest. Ezra is trying to swat a small buzzing mosquito near his ear. John is modeling a clay figure of a small animal. Michelle is reading a glossy fashion magazine on the sofa. Maddie is watching a brown kangaroo jumping across the field. Ezra is screwing a new clear glass light bulb into the lamp. John is closing the wooden door of the chicken henhouse. Michelle is watching a small prickly brown hedgehog rolling in the leaves. John is putting a blue fabric headband around his hair. Michelle is cracking a hard brown hazelnut with a tool. Maddie is gently touching her smooth forehead. Ezra is putting on his big yellow swimming flippers. John is slicing a long purple eggplant on the board. Michelle is feeding a small yellow baby duckling. Maddie is holding a bright yellow daffodil flower. Ezra is pulling the thick red curtains closed over the window. John is slicing a long green cucumber for the salad. Michelle is typing a fast message on the black computer keyboard. Maddie is draining the boiled pasta in a silver metal colander. Ezra is enjoying the exciting rock climbing sport on the wall.